Hi there, welcome back. Hope you enjoyed the strange videos I made last year. Sorry about that if you didn't like it. Simply, yeah, what else can I do now? There's no car here. And I also hope you liked the last video about the 599. It was a privilege to do that. And I hope this year, 2021, I can do more videos of that, of reviews of Ferraris. I got some friends that offered me already to do so, so maybe if the weather is good, hopefully we can drive more cars and tell you all about it. Today we're not gonna work on my Ferrari, no, because there's no Ferrari, I told you so. You see some building materials, yes, and what we're gonna do, we're gonna start isolating the garage. Yes, because one of the reasons the Ferrari got rust is that this garage is a little bit moisty and cold, and also when I work here it's cold, so I have a small heater, but that's not enough. So what we're gonna start is isolating the ceiling, the front, the back, hopefully get a new garage door and put some better lighting in, because now when I stand like this you can see me, but if you stand like this you can't see me. So we're gonna solve that problem, and I say let's join me on this journey, and maybe next time we can work on some parts for the Ferrari again. Yes? Okay, have fun! So, as you probably have seen, oh there you are, how do you like my Corona haircut? Yes, thank you. The hairdressers are closed, we're not allowed to go there, so next few weeks this is going to be a mess, but who cares. And I keep filming like this. If you've seen, yes, we put some beams on it just to make sure we have the basic measurement. It doesn't have to be all that precise, because this is the raw structure where every step we're taking, we're finalizing it, and to make a tight, flat water pass. How do you call it in English? Okay. Flat surface, horizontal. So we put the first beam on there, the few beams up there, and the final beam. So we're gonna have a cup of coffee, because we're sweating like an otter. At least I am. I don't know why, because it's cold. But we're gonna have a cup of coffee, then we're gonna put them all in and put all the rachels, I don't know how you call it in English, but the wood basic structure in, and then we're gonna put the isolation in. And I don't know if we can do that in one day, but we started, and that's a good thing. See you again soon as we progress. There's my father again, he's helping me today, because I'm not that strong. So let's enjoy part 2. Well, as you can see, we got the first part of the garage all covered. We straightened the beams, we put in the basic lines so they will hold the isolation in place, because next step is finishing this side, but we have to move all the stuff to the other side. That's a downside of a small space. And when that is finished, so we got the isolation on it, we got the main beams on it, then we're going to start Electra and the wooden frames for the front and back wall. We're not going to do the side walls, because on that side, my living room, there's my living room, so that's already isolated. And on that side, the neighbors are sitting, watching television. So that side is already very good. We don't need to do anything about it. So, well, for 4 hours of work, that's all I had to do. Quite, by time, a little bit more than 4 hours, but I think we did a good job. So I hope you enjoy it. I hope. Listen guys, I'm so sorry. I am a Dutchman. And when I'm in a bar, speaking English, I get around. But talking to a camera, and especially technical terms, where you experienced it with the Ferrari, it's quite difficult. And but I want to do this in English, because simply then I can reach more people. So forgive me. Well, we're going to finish up and we're going to go to sleep tomorrow. Hopefully I can do some more isolating, and hopefully before the car is back, then at least we have the walls covered, the plates, GTSi, well, the before the plasters, the plates for the plasters on. So at least the car is dry, safe, and in a heated room. And when the car is gone again, because when we finish the car, then we have to make sure that all the wheels are aligned, etc., and all the oils are filled. We're not going to do it ourselves. The dealership is going to do that and make sure that the car is approved to be road legal again. When the car is gone for that stage, then we're gonna plaster it all up, and hopefully, well, we have a beautiful room, a beautiful car, where I can vlog all about everything I'm doing here. So thank you for watching. Join me again next time, and until then, please like, subscribe, do whatever you want, enjoy life, and make the best of it. Goodbye.
Yeah.